In this video, I'm going to show you my chart setup, my broker, and everything I use to day trade on the stock market. What's up guys, it's Zen. Welcome back to another video here on my channel where I share what I've learned on the stock market so that you can speed up your learning too. In today's video, we're going to go through my trading setup. I'm going to show you everything I use to day trade on the stock market, including my charting software, my indicators, the screener I use, and what broker I use to buy and sell my stocks. So let's jump straight into the action. So starting off, let's walk through the charting software that I use. I use Tradingview for all of my charting. I prefer to use an external chart because the charts on my broker are not very sufficient for what I need and they can be laggy at some times. I also can't seem to save my layouts when I try to use it. So it's quite a hassle to use my broker's charts every day, especially on a high momentum trading style. On TradingView, you can modify your charts and there are a lot of extra features, and the speedy updates on the price information is the main reason why I use TradingView. I'm actually using the Pro plan, which is the cheapest premium package that they actually offer. It is sufficient enough for me to get the basic charts that I use and also live prices for my daily trading. So this is my chart setup. As you can see, it's very basic actually, because I don't really use that many indicators. On top you can see that there are a lot of different time frames. I personally use the 1 minute chart for all of my buy and sell. But to identify support and resistance lines, I use the 15-minute chart and also the daily chart. As for drawings, I mainly use the horizontal line and also just the normal trend line tool to identify trend lines and day high so that I know when the stock is approaching day high for a breakout play. As for indicators, I only use the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price, and also volume. I don't use any moving averages, I don't use any RSI or MACD. I just play momentum. I identify where stocks have potential to be bullish for a short period of time, and all I need is volume, my support and resistance lines, with a bit of help from the VWAP. If you would like me to go into full detail of what TradingView can do, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to make a video on it. I would also appreciate if you would hit the like button and subscribe as well. I have a lot more videos coming on my strategies and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss it. For my stock screener, I actually use TradingView as well. They have quite a good screener, especially for the BURSA stock market. You can customize what you want to see, and for my daily screener, my filters are stocks that are above 20 cents with at least 1 million volume, and I usually look at the highest percent gainer of the day, and sometimes I also filter it by the highest volume of the day just to know which stock has the most players in it at the time. For my broker, I use Hong Leong e-broking to buy and sell my stocks every day. So this is what I look at mainly. I buy and sell on this menu down here where I place my lots, my price, and I have 3 watch lists. My first watch list is basically for stocks that I'm interested in. The second one is gloves because these stocks have the most volume every single day. And also a third watch list where I usually put stocks here if I'm trading it on the day itself. And I have my order status on another tab just so I can keep track of my order fill. In the future, I hope to put out videos of live trading where I speak my thought process as I trade through the day so that I can share how I use my broker and how I actually look at charts. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video on my trading setup. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of them. I would appreciate if you could subscribe and leave me a like. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.